who are just starting to look at investing often want to know if there are any good investment tips for beginners. Well, if you're still learning how to invest, then join the club. If you're just starting out, I guess I'd offer 4 pieces of advice. The first is start with broadly diversified investments. This will prevent you from going too far off track in any one direction. Now, second piece of advice, the only truly risk-free investments are things like saving accounts and short-term government bonds that offer fairly low returns. If you're going to pursue higher returns, you're going to have to take some risks. The third piece of advice is to keep your risks in proportion. Taking the occasional flyer on a high-risk, high-return type of stock is fine as long as it's a small percentage of your portfolio. If you put a big chunk of your nest egg into a risky proposition, you're no longer investing, you're gambling. And then the fourth piece of advice is this: don't panic. It's a marathon, not a sprint. If you have conviction in the choices that you've made, don't worry if the financial markets make you look bad for a while. Markets can go off track from time to time, but they always return to financial reality in the long run. Disappointing performance is definitely a cue to revisit your assumptions about the company. And what you have to ask yourself is, other than the price, has anything changed here? But if fundamentally what you liked about the company hasn't changed, that's when you should stick to your guns. If, however, you look at it and say, okay, the price is down and I hate to sell at a loss, but what I liked about this company, it turns out that they're not really on track for doing what I thought they're going to do, then yeah, sometimes your first loss is your best loss, and that's a time to sell out.